Hi and welcome to Fluency with Poetry. I'm Leo and I'm learning English, not with grammar rules or vocabulary lists, but through the power of poems. Today, I'm reading one of the most powerful poems I know, Invictus by William Ernest Henley, which I want to share with you. So let's feel the words and grow together. Out of the night that covers me, black as a pet from pole to pole, I think whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the bludgeonings of chance, my head is bloody but unbowed. Beyond this place of wrath and tears looms but the horror of his shade, and yet the menace of years finds and shall find me unafraid. It matters not how strait the gate, how charged with punishment the scroll. I am the master of my fate, I am the captain of my soul. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have it. This poem is about strength, not the kind we show with our bodies, but the strength to stand when life hits hard. Henley wrote this while he was suffering physically and emotionally, but his words remind us no matter how dark the night is, we still choose how we face it. He wrote, "My head is bloody but unbowed." That line means even if I'm hurt, I refuse to give up. And the last two lines, they are not just words, they are declarations. I am the master of my fate, I am the captain of my soul, which means even in pain, even in fear, we are still free inside, and that is powerful. Thank you for listening, and if you are learning English like me and you love the beauty of words, you are in the right place. Subscribe if you want to grow with me, poem after poem. See you soon, and never forget, we are all the captains of our soul.